How to choose the best windowsill material for your home. Dear friends, when selecting the best material for windowsills, there are a variety of options. Each material offers its benefits and is suited to different styles and needs. This video will explore different material options and identify the key factors to consider before purchasing. Timber. Timber is a traditional choice for windowsills because of its natural loveliness and warmth. Advances in coating technology have made timber windowsills durable and waterproof, ideal for indoor and outdoor use. However, timber requires regular maintenance to ensure longevity. Stone. Stone sills, often found in older homes, are extremely durable and weather-resistant. They require minimal maintenance and can enhance the aesthetic of brick or sandstone homes. Stone window sills, a common landscape product, add a timeless elegance to the exterior of any house. PVC. PVC window sills are becoming increasingly popular for their versatility and low-maintenance features. They can be manufactured to mimic the appearance of wood or stone, making them a practical and affordable option for homeowners looking for a long-lasting, low-maintenance solution. Aluminium. Aluminium is frequently used in commercial and apartment buildings because of its affordability and lightweight properties. However, it can be noisy when raindrops hit the surface. Aluminium may be less aesthetically appealing than timber or stone, but durable and cost-effective choice. Buying considerations for windowsills. When purchasing windowsills, there are several factors to keep in mind. Climate and weather conditions. The local climate can heavily influence the longevity of your windowsills. For homes exposed to harsh weather, materials like stone or PVC are better equipped to withstand rain, sun, and temperature fluctuations without deteriorating. Design aesthetic. Your windowsill material should complement the overall design and aesthetic of your home. Timber adds warmth and a natural touch, while stone exudes elegance and sophistication. Maintenance requirements. Different windowsill materials have varying maintenance needs. Timber, while visually appealing, needs regular sealing and painting to prevent damage. PVC and stone are low-maintenance options, ideal for homeowners who want a more hassle-free solution. Selecting the best windowsill material is an important decision that affects both the appearance and functionality of your windows. By understanding the various materials available, you can make an informed choice that suits your home's aesthetic and environmental needs. Whether you prioritize durability, aesthetics, or low maintenance, there's a perfect windowsill material for every home. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.